States to you, I think we should be, I'm on safe ground to say that we will be able to complete the entire task by end of June, and we look forward to a hawkers-free dialogue by the middle of July this year. There have been many exchanges. A series of meetings have been held. The registration process of the vendors is going well in tandem with the various vendors organizations. They are on board, and in fact as many as 200 of them will be rehabilitated once in fact the spaces for rehabilitating them have also been identified and earmarked. So we will be very close to completing the task.